Play your own playlist songs due to copyright issues. BTECHSYLLABUS. Click on Launch Instance. Enter name of your wish. Click on Search tab or click on Browse More MS. Search Windows Server 2019 base. Select Windows Server 2019 base. Click on Create New Key Pair. Enter key pair name of your wish. Make sure always select .pm for Windows Server. Click on Create Key Pair. Now scroll down. Click on Launch Instance. Successfully instance is launched. Go back to instance page again. Now select instance and refresh it again and again till status check, to haves check passed. Now status check, to haves check passed. Click Connect. Click RDP client. Click Download Remote Desktop File. Click Get Password. Click Upload Private Key File. Select respective correct key. Click on Decrypt Password. Now copy password and paste in Notepad. Now go to Downloads and open Windows AMI.rdp file. Now paste password for Notepad. Click OK. Create new folder. Name test file 1. Open folder and create one more folder. Name, test file test 1. Now close all tabs. Omni process starts now. Select the instance you want to create Omni. Click on Action. Select Image and Template. Click Create Image. Enter the image name of your wish. Scroll down. Click on Create Image. Successfully image created. Now open MS. Now refresh again and again, till status available. Now status available. Now select Instance State and Terminate Instance. Go to Left tab. Click MS. Now select the image. Click on Launch Instance from Omni. Enter image name of any. Now don't create new key pair. Select pair name of previous instance key. Scroll down. Click on Launch Instance. Terminated instance is created again with data. Refresh again and again till status shows to have check passed. Two has check passed. Go to Connect, download remote desktop file. Now open the downloaded RDP file. Click Connect. Paste the password which you previously saved in Notepad. Click Yes. We can see the folder which we have created before. So, backup is successful. Thanks
watch more,
for watching. Subscribe.